Hello everyone, and welcome to my introduction to programming tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write simple programs using the Microsoft .NET Framework and the C# programming language. This same tutorial is also available in the Visual Basic .NET programming language, which is also available under my tutorial videos. To edit and compile C# programs, you can use the Microsoft Visual Studio Express Edition, which is available for free from the Microsoft website. I have a new console application project created here in Visual Studio 2010. Let's start by making a small program that writes some text to the console output. To do that, we add some code in the main function here. Now when we run this program, the sentence "my first program" will be written to the console and displayed on the screen. Let's try this. And here it is, my first program. And if we want to write something else to the console, we can add another console.writeLine here. Now if we run this program, the sentence "my first program" as well as "programming is fun" will be displayed on the output. Let's try this. And here it is, my first program, and programming is fun. And if all our program can do is write messages to the console, it is pretty boring. We want to interact with the user and get some inputs from the user as well. To do that, we first need to create a variable to store the input from the user. String variables are used to represent text. Let's create a string variable here. To do that, first we need to specify the type of this variable. In this case, it's a string. Followed by the variable name. Let's call this secret message. Now we need to assign something into this variable. In this case, the input from the user. Now if we run this program, the console will read a line from the user and store that input in this variable called secret message. Before we let the user enter anything, we want to display a prompt so the user knows what to enter here. So before the read line, let's add another line of code. Now if we run the program, it will display "tell me a secret" and then wait for the user to input something. And after the user inputs the message, we can display it back on the console. Now this way, after the user inputs a message, we display "I know your secret. It is," followed by the message entered by the user. Let's try this now. Tell me a secret. Let's put "the cake is a lie." And now the program says "I know your secret. It is the cake is a lie." And in the end, let's add another message. Let's write "thank you for using my first program." And of course, we can store our program name in a string variable the same way as the user input. Let's do it here. String program name is equal to my first program. Now when the program runs, we want to display this variable program name followed by the exclamation sign. And in the end, we say "thank you for using," followed by the program name, followed by the exclamation sign. Let's try it now. My first program, programming is fun, and the secret message. I know your secret, it is, the cake is a lie. Thank you for using my first program. And if we want to change the name of our program, for example, we change this to my awesome program. Now this time if you run the program, in the beginning it will display my awesome program, and in the end it will display thank you for using my awesome program. Let's try this now. My awesome program, programming is fun, tell me the secret. Let's read the same message again. And in the end it says thank you for using my awesome program. If we want the user input to be on the same line as the prompt, we change this write line into write. This way the console will write tell me a secret, and it will not go to the new line, and the user input will appear on the same line. Let's try this one more time. My awesome program, programming is fun, tell me a secret. This time let me put a different secret. And now the program says, I know your secret, it is programming is easy. Thank you for using my awesome program. And thank you for watching this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to make a program to work with numbers in addition to the strings. Thank you and goodbye.